Hi, my name is Ramasu, and welcome to my presentation on question 5 from the 2008 GCSE Science Double Award Paper 2. The question says natural radioactive sources produce 3 types of radiation. Name 3 types of radiation produced by natural radioactive sources. Well, we have alpha, beta, and gamma. Right. Part B says which of the 3 radiations is most damaging to living cells? Well, alpha is the most damaging. Why? Because alpha is more likely to be absorbed. It's more likely to be absorbed by cells. More likely to be absorbed by cells. While gamma and beta are more likely to pass through. Right. Also, alpha is more ionizing. Alpha is more ionizing than gamma and beta. Okay. Part C says give one example of a natural radioactive source. Well, we have uranium. We have also polonium and gases like radon. Okay, so that's the end of the video. My name is Ramasu. Thank you for watching. You can follow me on Facebook, or you can follow my page GCSE tutorial videos if you need more help or if you need more videos. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.